Hello everybody, this is a new video on my channel and welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at a very special set I bought without knowing that it had something very special in it. Let's get started. As you may know from one of my latest long form unboxing videos, you know that I got this entire set of 6 cars. These are number 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and then of course number 5 and number 6. Now, why did I put number 6 in the blister, you may ask? I come to back in a second. Okay, now I have everything prepared. Now we can start. At first I would like to go through every vehicle in this, every casting in this set once again to freshen up our minds. At number 1 we have the 1987 Ford Sierra Cosworth. In my opinion, a very beautiful car. I don't like these headlights, but overall I like this very much. At number 2 we have the Nissan Silvia S14 Drift with the missing front bumper, which is a very nice detail in my opinion, and makes this car look even more authentic than it is already. This is actually my second favorite car of this set. And of course, number 3 is obviously my number 1 favorite. Not because it's a very special one or it's heavy in comparison to, for example, the Ford. No, simply because I didn't have this Toyota GR Supra just till now in my collection. And I like it very much in this deco. I know there was 1 or 2 Boulevard editions last year or the years before, and I didn't get those simply because they weren't available in my area, because many people bought them because they liked me too. But that's not a problem. Now I have one and I am happy. On to number 4. This is one of the models I don't like as much as the others from this set, but I see why it's in here, and I think many people generally like this tuned versions of cars. Now to number 5, second to last model of the set. We have another tuned model, the Twin Mill to be exact. And yeah, I don't like this one as the Golf, but I like this one more than the Golf actually. And now we are at number 6 of 6. And I'm gonna get it out of the blister real quick. At number 6 of 6 we have the custom 71 Dodge van. And I think if we just take the Supra or the Nissan Silvia, you can see why many consider this a very special model. I don't have to tell you that, but I'm gonna do anyways. This is, I've seen it on the internet. I don't call it that, but I've seen it on the internet. This is called by many the chase of this set, simply because it's inverted to the others. So I think the Ford is the best comparison of the entire set. To Do I have to explain anything? I hope not. But yeah. If this, you can tell me in the comments if this is a right or a false information I've got. But if this is a chase, that's actually my first chase I have in my entire collection. Simply because I wasn't lucky to find one of the premium models till yet. But I'm always on the hunt for them, as many people are. If you want to know the prices, this one alone goes for around 20 to 25 euros, about the same in dollar. And all the other fives are going together as a smaller bundle, are going together also about 20 to 25 euros, the same in dollars, I suppose. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna be wrong. You can correct me on that. That's no problem at all. Yeah. So if you wanted to buy this entire set now with the chase, you would probably need about 40 to 45 to 50 euros to get the all 6 models plus this one that is called by many the chase. Do you want to know how much I paid? I didn't pay 40 or even 50 and not even $30. I paid a whopping 24 euros or $25 for this entire set. From the website I bought it, I sadly can't get it anymore, so I can't get I can get these 5 still, but I can't get a second one of this car. Maybe I will, but I don't know, simply because this costs as much as the other ones. But I would like to unbox like these 2 or even the 4th. So maybe I buy these 3 so I can then unbox them and we can review them in the unboxed, in the loose state. But until then, I keep them sealed. And yeah, that's pretty much the video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions to the set, or if you want to know anything else about me or my Hot Wheels collection, put it in the comments. And if you down there just right now, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. It supports me so very much and it helps me out like in a good way. And I'm thankful for everyone who does. So yeah, until the next video, have a great time. See ya. Bye bye.